Now listen up, you little boogers. Remember, focus is key. Hey, there's no yawning in karate.
My bad, Master Partner. I stayed up way too late last night playing video games.
Excuses are for the weak. Now, chop. Did I just see another yawn?
No. I was practicing my silent Kia.
Kid, your silent Kia's gonna get you hit with a not-so-silent shoe.
Yes, sir. Master Partner.
Now go home and get some sleep before I let this other bad boy fly. Bad boy. Worse than Ali.
I'm supposed to tell you to subscribe to the channel and, hit, bash, smash the bell. Yes, smash it.